Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set different shipping charges based on total order price for specific country in which store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order summary. Our country region is Pakistan. Now you see subtotal 105, delivery $40. So we are going to set different shipping charges based on total order price for specific country. Now go to Wix dashboard setting. So we are in setting and then you see shipping delivery. So click on it. So we are in shipping and delivery section. So we already have one shipping method, rest of the world. Shipping rate by price $20 to $50. So we are going to add one more region. So click on add region. So you can add multiple regions. Now you see region, add the destination. So you can add United States of America, United Kingdom, any country according to requirement. But our region is Pakistan. So we are going to add Pakistan. Now select. If you want, you can add more countries. Now you see shipping. Drop down, select how shipping is calculated. Now select. Now you see rate by price, calculate rate based on the total price of a customer order. Now select this option. So you can add option name. And if you want, you can add estimate delivery time. Now you see price range minimum 0, maximum 1. So we are going to add for this range $50. So order between 0 to $50, we are going to charge $100. And then you see another range, minimum $50. So we are going to add more range. So click on add range. So click on it, $100. Now product order between $50 to $100 price, we are going to charge $200. Now you see minimum $100 and maximum. So you can add number according to requirement, $300. If you want, you can add more ranges. So this ranges apply on Pakistan country we selected. So you can select any country like US, UK according to requirement and then click on save. Now you see you have saved region 2. Shipping rate by price $100 to $300. Now go to cart page and refresh the page. Then you see subtotal 105, delivery 300. Now back to setting. Now you see region 2. Click on edit. And then you see our order price is 105. And then we are going to charge 300. Now go to cart page again. So you can set price range according to requirement for specific country based on total order price. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.